Good morning, good afternoon, good night, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna play with streams. Streams in beautiful Java programming language. Let's create a new class. Let's call it streams. And I'm making a mistake, of course. Streams. Let's create public static void method. Here we go. Okay, so basically streams are a way to transform one collection into another collection. It's either by using maps or filters. Basically you have a bunch of data and then you can transfer the data into another place by modifying it or filtering it. Streams make it very fast and efficient. The main issue with streams is probably the first step is basically to understand how they work. So today we're just gonna play with it. I'll show you a simple program and so you will have at least basic knowledge on on how streams work. Today let's create a list of words, and some of words will be words that we would like to delete from the list. So the stream will delete those words from the list, and at the end of the program will output a new list without those deleted words. So first of all, let's create a list, and we'll use a very simple, maybe unusual but very efficient way to create a list. We'll have a list of strings. Let's have words, and then we'll have arrays as list, right? Oops, arrays as list, and we'll have bunch of words. So first, let's have a cities. Los Angeles, Miami, ZZZ, which is not a city, so we'll delete that word from the list. We'll have another beautiful city as Paris. We'll have another ZZZ, and the last city will be Tokyo. How about Tokyo? Beautiful. Okay, so let's import list, and we don't have errors anymore. So this is our list, and by using streams we can basically we'll print new list without any ZZZs, and that's it. We'll not save it to another variable, or we'll just print. So let's print this list first. And let's see what it will show us. Okay, so we have Los Angeles, Miami, ZZ, Paris, ZZ, Tokyo. Okay, and now let's create a stream which will print us. No, actually we'll create a variable, because it's easier to understand variable than print function, or like later maybe we can play with it and have instant print. So right now let's create another variable, list string, and we'll have we'll call it result. Now let's so first one is the name of the variable, which is words. Let's put the words into the stream. I'm wondering if stream is here. Yeah, there is a stream. Okay, you can choose stream. So now we put this words into the stream. Inside the stream, we're gonna filter it. So let's write filter. And now we'll put lambda expression. Lambda expression. So let's call it words as a W. Let's put lambda expression. W, which represents words. Equal z. And now let's collect the result. We'll put that result into the list, and we'll assign to the variable called result. So collect, we'll use collectors to list and probably we need to import collectors. Okay, and now let's see if we can print it out without any mistakes. Result. Okay, of course I made a mistake. Let's see how it worked fine. Okay, so the first print is of the original list with ZZs. Second print is of the result with no ZZs. Maybe we can play a little bit more. And instead of using system here, system print, out print, we can modify this this stream to print instead of yes. This is the second version. Instead of putting everything into the result and printing it, we can just print at the end of the stream filter. Now, instead of collect, let's use a method called forEach. And here we'll have a lambda expression which will print for us everything. So right here we can use the same W for the start or lambda expression, and yes, and we can print right here W and semicolon. it's much shorter and much nicer. Now let's hope everything works fine. Okay, everything works fine except it puts on each city on different lines. If we're gonna delete this ln statement right here, it should put one after another. Yes. Okay. So anyway, so the two versions of different streams both work and both are beautiful. We are saving lines of code by using streams. As I said, the hardest thing is to understand and learn how to write it, and after you're good with it, you're gonna use it forever. Thank you very much. Have a good day.